Mandarin is essential to confidently communicating with locals in everyday situations, such as shopping or basic conversations. Additionally, passing the Chinese course is a requirement to qualify for scholarships in the upcoming semester. The NCU Language Center offers Mandarin courses ranging from beginner to advanced levels. If you're awarded a scholarship, the tuition fees for these courses are waived. For beginners, I highly recommend the Chinese Listening and Speaking 1 course. This course focuses on developing listening and speaking skills, helping students communicate using basic vocabulary and grammar. By the end of the course, you'll be able to introduce yourself, engage in simple conversations, and understand basic Chinese dialogues. You'll also get familiar with recognizing characters and understanding the structure of the Chinese language. Students are expected to prepare for class by listening to the text and reviewing after each session. The course uses the textbook * Practical Audio-Visual Chinese *. You can purchase the textbook at the NCU bookstore or buy second-hand copies from senior students. My advice: practice as much as you can in real-life situations. Use the vocabulary taught in class to interact with locals during shopping or daily conversations.